Sunday again. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in my PJs. My cute little Tinkerbell shorts. Yeah. I scrunched my hair, just got out of the shower. Yeah. And so this week is music video week. So I'm excited for that. And I wish the music video week could be like later because I might be getting a new editing system. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah, so today I be doing nothing. I be doing nothing, man. I'm probably gonna go get some outfits for school. It's like 7 in the morning. Just kidding, it's almost 2 o'clock. Hey look! It's like just kidding. I don't know. Okay, so see you next Sunday, guys. Yeah. Bye. You probably can't see my face right now. That's okay. Alright, so it's nice 9 here, guys. And just kidding. I don't know. Okay, so see you next Sunday, guys. Bye.
Feels so good being back.